This is an automatic circuit. Cylinder on the left will extend first, then the right, and then cylinder 1 retract, then the right cylinder will retract. Let's run this simulation and then I'll explain this. So as you can see, the flow directions and how this thing is working. So let me explain what's going on with this circuit. So let's say you don't have any access to the Automation Studio, or you start to learn this thing first. So you need to be able to explain what's going on. So as you can see, this is a pump. So we'll demonstrate how to explain this circuit. So this pump sends flow in this direction, and you have to follow this line and also this line, both, and see what's going on. First, we're going to follow the left line, and this passes through this directional valve, goes all the way to the rod inside, and then because this cylinder is fully retracted, it cannot go anywhere. So nothing will happen on this side. So flow will try to go in this way. However, this check valve only allows flow to the left, no, but not to the right. So as you go this way, now it's gonna try to activate this pilot line, and it will activate this pressure safety valve. So this line will go lined up here. You can check the Automation Studio simulation at the beginning that I played, and then now it's flow going to go this way. So you have to follow this way. Nothing's going to happen because this is already pressurized. So it's going to go this way. And then it will try to engage this side of the valve, which is already engaged. So nothing will happen there. So now we're going to follow this flow to the right side of the cylinder to the right. So go this way, go this way. And as you can see, it's going to the rod end side of the cylinder 2. So this is cylinder 2, this is cylinder 1, and it will try to push this way, but it's already fully retracted, so nothing's going to happen. Flow cannot go this way because of this check valve. So similarly, it will try to activate this pressure safety valve. So it's going to line up here, and then flow will go this way. And then you keep following this path. Now, this pilot line is going to activate this side of the envelope of this directional valve. So then the flow, I'm going to pick another color so we can visualize what's going on. So this right side of the envelope now will be activated and engaged. So now flow is going to direct it to this way. So this whole right side shifted right here, and this whole valve is shifted to the left. So the flow is going to go now to the blank inside of this cylinder, and that will extend this cylinder on completely. So cylinder 1 will extend completely fast, and then what's going to happen similarly is, so once it is fully extended, then the flow will try to go this way. This pressure safety, this check valve will not allow, it only allows flow to the right, and then that will activate this pilot line and this pressure safety valve. So then flow start to go this way, and then you follow this line all the way, follow this line. Now this valve will, the right side, the right envelope of this directional valve will be engaged. So the flow then, instead of going this way, now it's going to go to the blank end side. So it's going to go this way. It's going to go to the blank end side and fully extend this cylinder 2. And this is how you can explain what's going on with this automatic circuit. So I'm going to go back to the Automation Studio simulation again. As you can see, the first cylinder extend first, then the cylinder on the right extend, and then the cylinder on the left retract, then the right retract. And it's going to keep doing that until you stop this circuit.